Top 5 habitable planets. Number 1. Kepler. 22b, also known by its Kepler Object of Interest designation, KOI087.01, is an exoplanet orbiting within the habitable zone of the Sun-like star, Kepler 22. It is located about 640 light-years, 200 parsecs, from Earth in the constellation of Cygnus. It was discovered by NASA's Kepler Space Telescope in December 2011 and was the first known transiting planet to orbit within the habitable zone of a Sun-like star where liquid water could exist on the planet's surface. Kepler 22 is too dim to be seen with the naked eye. Kepler 22b's radius is roughly twice that of Earth. Its mass and surface composition are unknown. However, an Earth-like composition for the planet is believed to be unlikely. It is more likely to be an ocean planet or have a volatile-rich composition with a liquid or gaseous outer shell. Number 2, Gliese 667cc, also known as GJ 667cc, HR 6426cc, or HD 156384cc, is an exoplanet orbiting within the habitable zone of the red dwarf star Gliese 667c, which is a member of the Gliese 667 triple star system, approximately 23.62 light-years, 7.24 parsecs, 223.5 trillion kilometers, away in the constellation of Scorpius. The exoplanet was found by using the radial velocity method from radial velocity measurements via observation of Doppler shifts in the spectrum of the planet's parent star. Gliese 667cc is sometimes considered as the first confirmed exoplanet with a high prospect for habitability. Number 3, TRAPPIST-1e, also designated as 2MASSJ230628928-0502-285e, is a rocky, close-to-Earth-sized exoplanet orbiting within the habitable zone around the ultra-cool dwarf star TRAPPIST-1, located 40.7 light-years, 12.5 parsecs, 385 trillion kilometers, 239 trillion miles, away from Earth in the constellation of Aquarius. Astronomers use the transit method to find the exoplanet, a method that measures the dimming of a star when a planet crosses in front of it. The exoplanet was one of 7 discovered orbiting the star using observations from the Spitzer Space Telescope. 3 of the 7, E, F, and G, are in the habitable zone AH Goldilocks zone. Number 4, Kepler 442. B145 is a confirmed near-Earth-sized exoplanet, likely rocky, orbiting within the habitable zone of the K-type main sequence star, Kepler 442, about 1,196 light-years, 367 parsecs, from Earth in the constellation of Lyra. The planet orbits its host star at a distance of about 0.409 astronomical units, 61.2 million kilometers, 38.0 million miles, with an orbital period of roughly 112.3 days. It has a mass of around 2.3 and has a radius of about 1.34 times that of Earth. It is one of the more promising candidates for potential habitability, as its parent star is at least 40% less massive than the Sun. Thus, it can have a lifespan of about 30 billion years. The planet was discovered by NASA's Kepler spacecraft using the transit method, in which it measures the dimming effect that a planet causes as it crosses in front of its star. NASA announced the confirmation of the exoplanet on the 6th of January 2015. Number 5, Proxima Centauri b is an exoplanet orbiting within the habitable zone of the red dwarf star Proxima Centauri in the constellation Centaurus. It can also be referred to as Proxima b, or Alpha Centauri Cb. The host star is the closest star to the Sun at a distance of about 4.2 light-years, 1.3 parsecs, from Earth, and is part of the larger triple star system Alpha Centauri. Proxima b and Proxima d, along with the currently disputed Proxima c, are the closest known exoplanets to the solar system. Proxima Centauri b orbits its parent star at a distance of about 0.04856 astronomical units, 7.264 million kilometers, 4.514 million miles, with an orbital period of approximately 11.2 Earth days. Its other properties are only poorly understood as of 2025, but it is a potentially Earth-like planet with a minimum mass of 1.07 m Earth masses and a slightly larger radius than that of Earth.